All right, Macy's, the letter M, gave a textbook intraday reversal short setup today. And I'm going to use what happened today to show you, because this happens all the time, and it can also be, the inverse of this can be used as a long setup for a reversal, okay? So I'm going to show you the elements here, what to look for, because trust me, this happens over and over. But Macy's was just so textbook, I wanted to make a video tonight. I made a little mental note today as I was trading. Okay, so I've drawn a line at the recent high from early in March, and it's just been basing sideways, and then today got up near there again. Now, on an intraday basis is the important element of why this was a short. Let me switch to lower time frame candles here. All right, I'll start with 5-minute candles, and you can see it was grinding higher. I think what do you have, like 8 or 9 green candles in a row on a 5-minute basis, but you'll notice these last two are starting to get much longer in length than the 7 or 8 or 9 that were preceding it, and you see the volume there too. This also meets our what we call shape change parameters. Okay, so this is what intraday capitulation looks like. Okay, what's happening there? You've got maybe shorts that thought Macy was going to go lower, starting to give up in this volume. They're just finally saying, the heck with it, it's going to break out, I got to get out. You've got late longs piling in, jumping in here, looking for that breakout over 60 on that daily chart I just showed you. Those two together, that's where you get all that volume from. I mean, what, 200 and maybe 270,000, close to 300,000 in 10 minutes? That's a lot, okay? I'm going to switch to 2-minute candles to really show you the difference. Okay, this is an even better way, the 2-minute candles, to illustrate what we call shape change. And what that means is just loosely connect the bottoms of the candles, okay, as it's climbing higher, and then you notice the pitch, the shape of that, and again, the big volume, okay? So now you got it grinding higher, and all of a sudden you get that shape change, and remember, it's near that recent high. You don't want to buy a breakout after this kind of intraday shape change, or even what looks like it's going to be a breakout on the daily chart. You should always be thinking reversal. Now, that doesn't mean Macy's couldn't have just ripped through 60 and gone to 62 today, but this is what intraday capitulation and a reversal setup looks like, and they generally play out very nicely. Now, you don't have to use 2-minute candles. You can use 5s. What you're looking for when you get in that area is just a clean reversal. Now, look if you use 2-minute candles there, and you just said, you know what, you got a reversal here, I'm going to short below that candle, high of day stop. Absolutely caught the top there. But it's pretty clean on 5s as well. And when I'm playing something like this off of 5s, and I'm looking for a reversal, sometimes what I'll do is I watch the clock, and as this red candle's forming, I want to make sure that it's close to being complete. In other words, I'm within like a minute or so of a new candle getting ready to start. So if this was 1 minute into this candle, I would be a little bit nervous about taking it, because a lot of times you'll get a push up, a big push down in that first minute as this 5-minute candle's forming, and it'll go right back up, and you think, oh, I've got a red 5 here. Next thing you know, you short it, and it's all the way back up, and all you did was catch the bottom of a little tail there. So what I like to do is watch the clock when I'm using 5-minute candles looking for a reversal, and just make sure that I don't short this until I know I've got a new candle coming in like a minute or less. Okay, so 4 minutes into this candle, I'm comfortable shorting this with a high of day stop, not 1 minute in, if that makes any sense to you. And either way, both of those shorts, 2s, 5s, both of them worked nicely. And just real quick, these work just as well if you flip this chart over in your mind and you get shape to the downside. You get that shape change I just talked about, and down to recent support, where late shorts are jumping in looking for a breakdown, and longs are starting to give up, but it's near support. That shape change is extremely important for playing intraday reversal. All right, we'll talk to you later.